Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So, welcome back to the series of software hands-on tutorial. And today's video is about some of the features of Open Broadcasting software, also known as OBS. So, this video will be about the Chroma Key and the sharpen effect that you can apply on your mobile camera, your DSLR camera, whatever you use to capture your real-time video. The second video will be regarding the audio filters that must be applied to your audio stream in order to capture seamless audio, only your voice, your vocals, and less and as much as possible, the noise should be captured least. So that is the motive of the filters. Third video will be regarding the VST plugin, that is the REAQ standalone plugin that is offered by the OBS. And how do we set that? How do we install that? What is the best parameter of setting the VST various bands, various frequencies? That will be the third video. And after that, we will be starting the ChatGPT tutorials. So without any further delay, let us start today's video. So first of all, what I will do is that I will just delete my mobile camera. I will delete my mobile camera from here also. Okay. I will go over here. I will click on add and then I will click on whatever I use. So I use DroidCam OBS. I will click on DroidCam OBS. If I'm using anything else, I will click on video capture device. So DroidCam OBS, I will click on OK. I will click on refresh device list, and in a few seconds, my mobile will get picked up by the system. And this is RMX. So it is a Realme mobile. I will activate it. So I can, since in my DroidCam OBS, I'm using a premium version. This I can upgrade my video quality to 1080, and this is H264 and MPEG. So H264 is the efficient method, so I will keep it at that, and then I will click on OK. After this, after this, you will set the borders for your mobile capture. So I will click on the DroidCam OBS or my mobile camera, whatever it is. So I will press the Alt key and take my cursor at any of the drag points. So I will just click on it and then crop it as much as I require. So now I will see that the borders have been trimmed. So for trimming the borders, Alt key must be pressed while dragging the borders, and if you want to crop the borders, you can do that without pressing the Alt key. I hope that it is okay. So I'll just right click on it, transform, and then I will click on fit to screen. Or rather, what I will do, I will just do a reset transform, press the Alt key, and then trim the borders again. Okay, so now it is uh, okay. Now I will click on the mobile camera or DroidCam OBS again and click on the filters. After that, I will add the chroma key. The chroma key will be here somewhere. Yes, chroma key is over here. I will click on OK. Now the question is, how do you how do you make the perfect settings for chroma key? That is one of the questions. So for that, the first thing which you have to do is that you have to click on custom color. So custom color is nothing but the ability to choose any color of your choice. So the best way of choosing the color is that you have to pick that color that is visible on your display, on your system, on your laptop. So this green is not exactly the same as the green which is being captured in my camera. I hope you can understand that. So this is, I will try to make it somewhat different. So if you will try to move it over here, you will see that this green and this green is somewhat same. Okay, is somewhat same. So I will try to make some more adjustments so that I am happy to go with. I will make it, I will move it again and again, and I will try to see if the green is exactly what I desire. So I think that this green is exactly what I desire, and I'll try to reduce the brightness, or I can keep the brightness as it is. And just cross checking. Okay. So I'll click on OK. You can also note down this number for your when you are trying to set your own camera, and click on OK. After that, what you have to do, you have to take this similarity and you have to keep it increasing till the time all the blurriness have decreased. So you will so for example, you can see that while in 220 there are some blurriness, there are some more orbs showing in your camera. So I'll keep on increasing it unless and until no orbs or no fluctuations are visible. 247, I will for a safe side keep it at 250. After that, what I have to do is that I will take my this is the camera that is being captured. So as you can see that my hair is getting somewhat a green color, a greenish look. So what I have to do with that, I will just take the key color spill reduction and I will try to increase it little bit. So after increasing, I will see that if the green color has reduced, yes, it has reduced. So I will increase it more. Has it reduced? Yes, it has reduced. I will increase more. I will check again. Yes, it is almost reduced. And make sure that you do not increase the similarity, the smoothness, and key color spill reduction too much, because that will fade away your own colors, your colors of your shirt, color of your face, color of whatever you are wearing, etc. So 94, so we will increase it much more, like 101. Let us check now. So it is somewhat okay, and colors are still okay. So we will go on a little bit more. We will go till 112 and then we will check. So colors are still okay. Okay, so we'll stop over here. Now we will take the smoothness factor and try to increase it. So while increasing the smoothness, make sure that your focus is on the borders of your face, borders of your shirt, and that borders are trying to get diminished. Okay, this is 100, and we'll see over here that our face is almost okay. And again, we will increase the key color spill reduction, थोड़ा और increase करते हैं ताकि वो खत्म हो, greenish color थोड़ा सा और increase करेंगे. हाँ, अब देखो अपना फेस डल हो गया. ठीक है, so we have crossed the threshold. So we will reduce it little bit, 170, then we will check it again. अभी greenish तो नहीं है, black है, लेकिन color थोड़ा dull है. So we will decrease it a little bit more, 160. Yeah. So now colors are back and the blackish is also back, and we'll decrease it a little more, 150, to just to check. So now greenish comes back. Okay. So we will go back to 155 and see. So now it is all okay. The greenish color is now diminished. We will go to 160, and that is our final value. Okay, so this will be the final value, and 100, we will check 100 after closing this. Then we will click on sharpen, because as you know that whatever device you use to capture the video, it is not as sharp as it should be, because of the processing limitations, because of the graphics limitation, because of the application you are using, that application's limitations. So we will use a sharpen layer. And now you can see that our video is quite much looking like a professional camera shot. Okay. So the key color spill reduction has reduced, and now we will try to add this particular Droid Cam OBS with a uh, um, uh, what do you say that, with a wallpaper. Okay, so we'll try to add with a wallpaper. So we'll add color source, and color source will be okay. The selected color will be, let's say it is red, and we'll click on OK and then OK, and we will make it. And now this is our color source and everything is looking good. So color source हम लोग delete कर देंगे, और there are no blurriness. Yes. So there are no blurriness. Okay, so this was the tutorial to use the Droid Cam OBS or to use your mobile camera settings. And the more you just move the key color, the smoothness, you will get an understanding that which is the best. And some might think that there is some white border displayed over here, and they will try to reduce or they will try to increase the smoothness factor much more. But when you will increase the smoothness factor to us crossing certain threshold, then if you will be using the window capture or the display capture, your face will get blurred. It will get pixelated. Okay, so that is not a good idea. So always have some white layers existing, so it is good for you. Okay, that is not much visible when you have your camera, and you will be using a color source or a background image. Then the white thing will be totally gone. So this video sums up the tutorial for adding the chroma key, for adding the sharpen effect in your mobile camera. And if you are using any other thing, you can just use video capture device. If you are using Droid Cam uh, non OBS, like there is one more Droid Cam X Droid Cam Pro, you are using that, then you can use the video capture device. But Droid Cam OBS reduces the CPU usage, because using both the softwares makes two softwares run. So one is capturing certain CPU, one is capturing certain CPU. Android Cam OBS, when it is run in the same OBS, in the OBS itself, it captures half of the CPU. That is what I have experienced. So write in the comment section in case you found our video useful, and in case you have any other ideas for which you would like us to make video about. And in case you found it useful, you can share it with your friends, your colleagues, your classmates, and hit the subscribe button and the like button. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.